morning, everyone. Happy Monday. So for our materials today, we're gonna put Monday, your name, and then the date, which is 5/4/20. Then you're putting a number 1, a number 2, a line in the middle, and then on the back, you're putting 3 and 4 with the line in the middle. And then you're having your exit ticket. We are still having 2 problems for our exit ticket. So if you want, you can put a line in the middle for this one too. All right, let's get to it so we can enjoy this beautiful day. Okay, let's move on to number 1. So you're drawing a box and then answer with the blank line. All right, I'm gonna read the problem. Malcolm had some pencils. The next day, his friend gave him 38 more pencils. Now he has 120 pencils. How many pencils did he have in the beginning? Write a number sentence to match the story. Okay. So right now you're going to take the time to write a number sentence to match the story. Remember to take it sentence by sentence and write down what you think matches. You can start that now. Okay, Malcolm had some pencils. We don't know how many he had, so we're going to put a question mark. The next day, his friend gave him 38 more pencils. So plus 38. Now he has 120 pencils equals 20. Take the time to write your total and parts. All right, so this is our part, and then this is our total. Oh, forgot that one there. Okay, 120. All right, so we're still gonna do 2 strategies, okay? So I'll give you time to do this first strategy. I'll go over mine, and then I'll give you time to do your second strategy. So for now, you're just gonna do your first strategy to figure out your missing part. You can do that now. Okay, so for my strategy, I'm going to start with my total and I'm going to count down, okay? So I'm going to put 120 in my brain. And remember, you want to put it in your brain because if you draw a hundreds block with 10 sticks and try to subtract, that's going to be way too hard. So don't do that. Just put the number in your brain and count down, okay? So I have 120. Now I need to show 38, 3 10 sticks. And then the 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now I'm going to count down by tens. So I'm looking at my tens place here. I have a 2 there, so I know it's going to go down. So 120, 110, 100, 90. Now I'm counting by ones down. So 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82. Okay, I'm going to write a number sentence to match my work. So I did 120 minus 38 equals 82, which was our missing part. Over here, I want you to do a number line strategy. So try out a number line strategy. You can either start with a part and add, or you can start with your total and subtract for your number line strategy. You can do that now. All right, I'm going to show both ways. So for this first number line, I'm going to add. So I'm going to start with my part, which is 38. And I'm going to add all the way up until I get really close to 120. I'm going to use my fingers and pretend like they're 10 sticks, okay? So I have 38, 48, 58, 68, 78, 88, 98, 108, 118. Okay, so that means I have 8 10 sticks. 8 10 sticks equals 80. So I'm going to make a hop of 80. I know that that got me to 118. And now I just need 2 more hops to get to 120. And look, our answer is on the top. So 82 was our answer, and we have 82 for our hops. So I'm going to write that there. And now I'm going to do a subtraction number line. So we have to start on the right side. I'm going to start with 120. I'm going to take away 38. So I'm going to make a huge hop of 30. And we already know when we make a hop of 30 that we're going to land on 90. So use the strategy to help you out. And then if we take away 8, oh, make sure that this is a minus sign. I made a little bit of a mistake. We're not adding here, we're subtracting. So now this is going to be minus 8. And I'm going to land on 82. Okay? This represents 38 from the problem. Okay? All right, so answer this in a complete sentence. How many pencils did he have in the beginning? All right, so Malcolm had 82 pencils in the beginning. Let me make sure I spell that right, okay? All right, I'm gonna get my white out so I can make sure that this doesn't look like a plus sign. Okay, let's go on to question number 2. This is a fact family problem, so we're not going to write the directions out because it's a little too long. So you're going to write 4 plus 11 equals 15. 11 plus 15 equals 4. 15 minus 4 equals 11. And then 11 minus 4 equals 15. On the right side, you're writing write the correct way. So again, you're writing write the correct way. And listen closely to my directions because we're going to circle what is incorrect, okay? So Sabrina wrote this fact family. Circle any number sentences that are not correct. Then fix her fact family on this side. Okay, so you're going to go through and you're going to see which ones are incorrect. Something that you should do is you should label that first number sentence. So 4 plus 11, does that equal 15? Let's see. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, that's correct. So these are our parts, and this is our total. Now go through and see if you can find anything that doesn't make sense. Circle it, and then write it the correct way on this side. You can try that out now. Okay, I'm gonna go through. So we know that our total is 15, this is our part, and this is our part. Well, that doesn't make sense because we never add to our total, and 11 plus 15 does not equal 4. So we're gonna circle that, and we're gonna fix it on this side. All we have to do is rearrange it a little bit. So we can only add our parts. Since we started with 4 here, I'm gonna do 11 plus 4 equals 15, okay? Let's see this. So that's our total. Total goes before the minus sign. Yep, that's true. Okay, that's correct. Let's see. Oh, well, this is our part, so that's not correct. So we're going to circle that. Remember, our total goes before the minus sign. So we already subtracted 4 here, so let's do 15 minus 11 equals 4. All right, everyone, it's time for our dance break. So much fun. All right, let's go on to question number 3. You're all doing such an awesome job. At the top, you're writing a triangle minus 22 equals 13. So triangle minus 22 equals 13. It says solve for the missing value, then draw a bar model to match your work. First thing you need to do is label your total and your parts. All right, so this is our total. These are our parts. So we're missing our total. When we don't have our total, we add our parts. Right now you're going to do one strategy here, and then I want you to draw your bar model. Okay, you can do that now. All right, I'm actually going to do a number line strategy because why not? We want to try different strategies. So I'm going to put this here and then I'll leave some space for my bar model. Okay, so let me start with 22. Remember, we're adding because we don't have our total. And I'm going to have a hop of 10 because I have 110 here. So I'm going to do plus 10. 22 plus 10 is 32. Then I'm going to do a small hop of 3. 32 plus 3, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay, 35 was our answer, and this is our 13. Awesome. Okay, so that was our missing total. Now you're going to draw your bar model. Remember, the bigger piece is for the bigger part. So this is my 22. This is the 13. Your total goes at the top, which is 35. All right, last question. Let's keep going. Question number 4. We're going to decompose the number 16, and we're going to do it in 2 different ways. So you're going to have a box here with 2 lines in the middle like this so that you have 3 spots to draw your circles. And then you're going to draw the same thing on this side. You can pause the video if you need extra time, or you can look at my chart. Okay. It says break up the number 16 into 3 parts in 2 different ways. Use circles to show your work. So how about you do it the first way, we'll go over it, and then we'll do the second way after that. So do the first way now. You're breaking up the number 16 into 3 parts. Okay, so I'm gonna count and make sure I have 16 all together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm gonna write the numbers that I have for each part so that I don't do the same thing over here. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. I know 5 plus 5 is 10, and then plus 6 is 16, so that's right. All right, so now you're gonna do it in a different way, so make sure you don't have the same amount of numbers in each part, but you're going to still decompose 16, so you can do that now. Okay, so I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I know that 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16. All right, let's go on to our exit ticket. So remember, for your exit ticket, you want to make sure that you are doing both problems. Okay, so on the screen right now, I'm going to show you your exit ticket. If you need extra time, I would pause the video now. Okay, everyone, I hope you have a wonderful day and that you get to enjoy this awesome weather. See you guys tomorrow.